Pupunta ka rin dito ha. Baka hindi ka pupunta.
Sige.
Oh.
Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young or let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we'll never say never. Sitting in the sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad man. Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn our golden faces into the sun. Praising our leaders, we get it in June. The music's played by and madman. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever and ever? Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever and ever young? Some are like water, some are like the heat. Some are a melody and some are the beat. Sooner or later they all will be gone. Why don't you stay young? Is it hard to get old without a cause? I don't want to perish like a fading horse. Youth like diamonds in the sun, and diamonds are forever. So many adventures given up today. So many songs we forgot to play. So many dreams swinging out of the blue. Oh, let them come true. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever and ever? Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever and ever young?
Nay Victoria, happy birthday po sa inyo. I wish you good health and more blessings to come. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! We love you! Punta ka na dito sa New Zealand!
Happy 70th birthday, Inay. Sobrang bilis ng panahon. Alam mo, Inay, special ka sa amin. Kasi, para sa akin, ikaw ang paborito kong kapatid ni Daddy. Nung bata pa lang ako, ikaw lang ang ibinibili ni Daddy sa amin. Na dadala ng ulam, pagbubukas ng buko, ganyan, ihahatid ng tricycle. Inay, salamat sa mga payo mo, salamat at hindi ka nagdadalawang isip na pagalitan kami pag may ginagawa kaming mali. Tsaka pasensya ka na at madalang ka namin nadadalaw sa mga panahong ito dahil karamihan sa mga pamangkin mo puro mga busy na rin. Pero kahit gano'n, huwag mo iisipin na nakakalimutan ka namin. Nawa ay bigyan ka pa ng ating Panginoon ng maraming birthday pa at syempre mga masasayang araw na aalalahanin mo palagi. Yan, happy birthday, Nay.
Mami Victoria Hamlit. Ayan, oh. Happy 70th birthday. Naku, Diyos ko po, nasa bonus stage na po kayo. 30 years na lang at magawa 100 years old na kayo. Kaya po yung abutin, ha? Basta lagi lang ngiti, aalagaan ang kalusugan at laging mag-iingat at laging masaya. Oo, depende yan sa mga mahal nyo sa buhay. Kung gaano nila kayo pasasayan, ha? Salamat po, Inay. Happy birthday. At ano pa nga pa, ang iyong laging inihirit sa amin. Ichika mo na. Dali.
Happy birthday po!
Ate Vicky, binabati kita na isang maligayang kaarawan naway tadyakan ka ng swerte, sampalin ng kaligayahan, at bugbugin pa ng pagmamahal ng mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo. Thank you for being the best ate sa batch natin sa Press. Thank you!
Hi, Ninang Victoria. Happy 70th birthday to you. I wish you all the best. Always take care of yourself, good health, and more birthdays to come. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to be one of your inaanak on our wedding. Always take care. God bless. We love you.
Hello, greetings from Francis. I have a few words for Inay. Maligayang kaarawan, Inay. Wish ko ang mabuting kalusugan mo at mahabang buhay. See you soon. Gusto ko matikmang ang mahaluto mong pagkain. Happy birthday. All the best. And for all, wish you all nice celebrations and enjoy the time. Paalam. Paalam.
Hi, Inay. Happy birthday. Sana happy ka sa birthday mo. Sana na-feel mo na sobrang special ka kasi sobrang special mo sa amin. And thank you sa lahat na support and guidance mo sa amin. Lahat magpipinsan, pati sa mga magulang namin. Ayun. I love you, Inay. See you kapag umuwi na ako. I miss you.
Inay, happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo palagi. Ingatan niyo po ang health niyo. Tigilan niyo na po yung pagkain ng bulong bakwan. Ingat po kayo.
Happy birthday, Inay! God bless you. I pray that you will have a long and healthy life.
Happy birthday to! Sana po magkaroon kayo po na long life. Happy birthday!
Inay, happy birthday sa'yo. Happy 70th birthday. Namimiss ka na namin. Ang wish namin sa iyo ay sana maging healthy ka at mag-celebrate pa tayo ng maraming birthday. By the way, may papakilala ako sa iyo kasi last time na pumunta ako sa Pampanga, hindi mo siya nakilala. Babati rin siya sa iyo ng happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Inay! Hope to see you soon.
Ayos ba? Bye-bye!
Say, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Inay!
Happy birthday, Ninay!
God bless you always!
Happy birthday. Matanda pala kami sa inyo. You're still young. You can still come here to see each other again. And mga apo mo, they are already bigger than their mommy and daddy. Nice. Glad to see you again. Oh, ikaw.
Oh, lalo na si Che, si Glenn, at yung mga apo nating mga magaganda. Si Jed, si Vel, si Cecily. Oh, umuwi sila para atin sa birthday mo. Kaya enjoy kayo diyan.
And bye-bye na.
Okay.
Wish you the best on your birthday. Happy. Present ang lahat ng mga anak mo dyan for your birthday. God bless you. And more years to come.
Happy 70th birthday, Inay, from USA!
And